Hey guys, welcome back to Wild West Motorplex. Today we have a 2019 Kawasaki Z900 with ABS. It has only 4,320 miles and the price is $74.99. Let's take a look. Has an aftermarket windscreen, green. Look at that headlight, beautiful. It's in really good shape. You got an aftermarket pipe right here. Check it out. It's really loud. We'll fire her up in a second. All right, let's go ahead and fire this puppy up. Beautiful bike. It comes with 2 keys. There's the mileage, 4318. Let's fire her up. Listen to this exhaust. It's awesome. It's nice and loud. You'll definitely be heard on the road, guys. All right, you know what time it is. If you're interested in this Z900, 281-392-8852. Thanks for watching another Wild West Motorplex video. We'll see you next time.